show you how to put on the Byrna Pro Fiber top cover so you can add a red dot sight to it. I'm going to put it on the LE today, so I'll go ahead and get this ready, save some time, then start back up. Okay, so the only instructional video I've seen is for the SD. So we're going to do the LE real quick, show you what it comes with. It's got your top slide sights here, got your fiber optic sights on there. That's where you can mount a red dot where you can't with the standard LE. We've got a removal tool. Just locks it in place. Looks like they sent 2 of the locking bars, so it doesn't give me a lot of faith that it's gonna go together with no issues. Look, instructions. We're gonna double check and read these. And you got your Allen heads, and you do have a cut, and this is your ball springs here and here, and then your little ball level, which is right here. So you're going to be replacing all that also. All right. Okay, so you got to remove the little 12-gram extension there. I'll get this out of here. Hold on to these. Because I do not want to lose a screw. Right, then we get to 2 screws here, one here, one here. Both those have to come out, and this should I say, come off really easily. Come on. All right. So you got the 2 on each side. You got your 2 down here. Then you got one last one right there. Which with the SD or HD or any of those, you don't have to go through all this. All right. It should just peel off of there. Okay. Easy enough. Off. So, this is the removal tool that they send with it. Right back here in your lock, you're going to put that in. You're going to pry that out. We're going to remove that. And then lift it up from the back, I believe. There you go. And it's off. That's it. This is probably going to wind up going on one of my SDXLs you see sitting here. Okay, so if you never saw the inside of one, there you go. You got 2 tiny little springs here, here, and this is your ball indicator. So we're going to take that out. We're going to take these springs out. Tip into the little bag here. Yep, there goes the spring on the run. Looks like they did send extra parts, which is great, because these things are tiny. All right, so we'll go ahead. It's a new spring. And there. Stick into my finger. There we go. Put your other spring in. Check your ball indicator here. All right. Put that on. Sorry about that. I had a spring get loose. Had to chase her down. Put our ball indicator back on there without knocking the spring out this time. There you go. Get on. Okay. Make sure my springs are still in there. They are. Okay. And apparently all you got to do is take the new top cover. Do it from the front to the back, just like you took it off. Okay, it's on. It fits on there pretty good. Okay, now we just got to put our locking lever back in there. Or our lock. Did give you some lube in case it doesn't want to go in, so we'll go ahead and lube it up. Once you finally get that lined up, it might fight you a little bit. Gonna put your lube on there, and this should lock her in. There we go. There she goes. And the rest of the way. Okay. There goes. Looks like she's in there flush. Let's see, but that's kind of, you know, what she looks like when you're done. Fits on there pretty good. Fought me a little bit, not gonna lie. But overall, pretty simple. So let's put everything back together. Save all your extra springs. Make sure your ball indicator. It is sitting flush. Let's see if she pops up. When I do, magazine, but we'll test it out in a little bit. All right. So it looks like. Mount the red dot sight right there, which we will do later. So that's it. Thank you for watching.